Hello children, today we are going to do question answers of the lesson Nasruddin's Aim. Earlier we have read the lesson and understood its story. So let's begin. Choose the correct answer. Nasruddin was boasting about his skills in which sport? Read the question once again. Nasruddin was boasting about his skills in which sport? Football, archery, cricket, basketball. Which one is the correct answer? Correct answer is archery. Nasruddin was boasting about his skills in archery. Next question. Archery is played using dash and dash. Bow and arrows, pebbles and stick, bat and ball, dice and tokens. Archery is played using dash and dash. Bow and arrows, pebbles and stick, bat and ball, dice and tokens. Which one is the correct answer? Correct answer is bow and arrows. Next. In which shot did he hit the target? First, third, second or fourth? In which shot did he means Nasruddin, hit the target? First, third, second or fourth? Correct answer is third. Nasruddin could hit the target in third shot. Whose name did Nasruddin take when he missed the target at first? So as we have seen, Nasruddin could hit the target in third attempt. So when he missed the target at first, whose name did he take? Chief Guard, himself, Azad or nobody? Whose name did he take? Chief Guard, himself, Azad or nobody? During the first shot, he took name of Azad. He said, "This is Azad's aim." Now, what did Nasruddin boast about? Read the question once again. What did Nasruddin boast about? Nasruddin was boasting about his excellent skills in archery. Nasruddin was boasting about his excellent skills in archery. He said he never miss a shot. His arrows always hit the target. Why did Nasruddin take someone else's name each time he missed the target? So, as you remember, Nasruddin hit the target in third shot. So, during the first two times, when he failed to hit the target, he took someone else's name. And why did he take someone else's name? Nasruddin took someone else's name each time he missed the target to defend himself, as he earlier said his arrows always hit the target. So when he was boasting about his skills in archery, he said that my arrows always hit the target. And when he shot the arrows first 2 times, he could not hit the target. So he took someone else's name to defend himself. अपने आप को बचाने के लिए उसने दूसरों का नाम लिया था. Why did Nasruddin say it was my aim the 3rd time? So during the first 2 times he took someone else's name, but at 3rd time he said it was my aim. Why? Nasruddin said it was my aim the 3rd time because this time the arrow hit the target. So in the 3rd time the arrow hit the target. So Nasruddin said it was my aim. Do you think Nasruddin was good at archery? So what do you think? Was Nasruddin really good at archery or not? No, I don't think he was good at archery. He was just lucky when the arrow hit the target in 3rd shot. So I think that he was not good in archery. He was just lucky when the arrow hit the target in 3rd shot. So I hope you have understood the question answers of this lesson. So today you'll read the lesson once again, you'll understand it, and then you will complete its question answers.